Ho, ho, ho. Hi kids, it's craft time. Today you're gonna be making your very own bird feeder, and it's so easy. All you need is a pine cone, some peanut butter, some bird seed, a string that you can hang it with, and then maybe a plate so that you don't make a huge mess, and a spoon to put the peanut butter on. So, let's get started. First, you're going to take your pine cone and your string. You're going to tie the end of your string to the very top of the pine cone. Pull it super, super tight to make sure that when you hold it, it doesn't fall off. Next, you're going to take your peanut butter. You're going to open it, get as much or as little as you want on your spoon, and you're going to put it all over the little pine cone branches. So once you're finished with that, you can take a little bite if you want. You're going to take your bird seed. You're going to grab a little handful, and you're going to sprinkle it on just like that. And this is the part where it can get a little bit messy. There's your finished bird feeder craft. It's that easy. Oh, yeah, don't eat the bird seed, it's disgusting. But leave this out for the birds and they are gonna be so excited that you left them some food. Happy crafting.